Students, as you know, we are started with the topic that is countable and uncountable noun, that is topic number 10 on page number 29. Related to that, we have done our exercise A and B. So, we are going to start with exercise C. So, let's see what we have to do in exercise C. Okay, so just read out the question, what we have to solve. So it will be easy for us to understand what we have to do in this exercise. So reading is the most important part when you solve some exercise. So just putting the point for you to understand where I am reading. See exercise number C, it's on page number 30. Okay, so just going to read. You also have to read in from your textbook. Rohan's mother asked him to buy some food item for the house. So Rohan, mother, name of the boy is Rohan, and his mother asked him to buy food items for the house. So when we are going somewhere for marketing, we buy some food items for the house. So here mother is asking Rohan to buy this food items for the house. So what she is going to do, just see. She gave him a shopping list. So mother, when Rohan is going outside, she is giving him a shopping list. What items you have to bring from the market. Okay. He brought exactly what she had asked him to buy. So Rohan, yes, exactly what his mother have told him to bring from the market, he has brought that. Here are the food items that he bought. So at the downside we have been shown some pictures what items he has brought from the market. Now what we have to do? Can you guess what his mother might have written in the shopping list? So here is a question is asked to us that we have to guess from the picture what are the food items that he has brought from the market. So here list, according to list, list is not given what he have to what he have brought from what he have to bring from the market, but the food items he have brought from the market, that picture is shown to us, and from that picture, related picture, we have to write our answer. Okay, so let's see. Can you guess what his mother might have brought written in the shopping list? So here a list is given and we have to just find out what he has brought. Look, see again, say this one we are reading. Look at the picture and make a shopping list of the same. Now so you have to just look to the picture and we have to make the shopping list. What you have to do, remember to use a little, a lot of, or some for uncountable nouns. So in this picture there are some countable and some uncountable nouns. Okay, so you have to find also that which is countable and which is uncountable, and where uncountable are there we have to use a little, a lot of, or some. Okay, just see what are the picture we can see, and same we are going to write here in the space given here. Okay, so you can see here this is a one carton of milk. So here you can see one carton of milk or a little milk. So milk, a can is there, and a cartoon. So a pouch type it is there, and that is also, and on them also it is written milk. So a little milk, it is little milk. So next is you can see these two bottles. See, you can see bottle are there. So bottle of water, two bottle of water. So you can count 1, 2. So it is countable noun. Bottle is a countable noun. 2 bottles of water. A lot of water, or else you can write a lot of water. Now here you can see a picture of a coconut. Can everybody see this? Yes, it's picture of an coconut. You can see a big whole coconut and a half coconut. So it is one and this is half. Okay. So you have to remember this. That is one and a half. So when writing answer same, you have to write one and a half coconut. So one and this one is half coconut. Okay. So next we can see potatoes are lying here. So where you can see the potatoes? Yes, exactly here you can see potatoes are lying here. So when potatoes picture you go through that, you have to say it as countable, because you are going to count how many potatoes are there. So just count uh, 1 2 3 4. So how many potatoes we counted? Yes, it is 4 potatoes. Means it is a countable noun. Okay. Beside this potato, you can see next we can see there is a big can. So we have to just write a big can of milk. So normally this can is used for storing milk. So milkman use this can when they bring the milk at our home. Mostly this can is used for carrying milk. So you can see in the picture and say a big can of milk. Okay, it is written on number 5. Now here we can see sugar is written. Okay, so a pack of sugar, you can say a packet is there, a pack of sugar. So how much sugar is there we don't know exactly. So a lot of sugar we can say. Okay, sugar is uncountable now, we cannot count what is there. So it is a pack of sugar or a lot of sugar. Okay, so again here you can see a picture of carrots. Carrots, how many carrots you can see? Yes, 1 2 3. In the picture you can count them as 3 carrots. So it is countable now. So this also we have to write here 3 carrots. Okay, next beside this carrot we can see tomatoes. Tomatoes are lying. So here potato, beside there we can see tomatoes are there. So just count how many tomatoes are there. 1 and 2. So it is again a countable noun. So you have to just count the tomatoes and write the number 2 tomatoes. Okay, number we have written up to 8. Number 9. Number 9 you can see here a cone type it is there, and in that we can see ice cream is filled up. Okay, so it just as a shape of a tub. Cone is triangle, but here little bit shape is different, so you can call it as a tub of ice cream. Okay, so here you have to mention as it is a tub of ice cream. So here it is also uncountable. And now again below that, yes, some picture of apple we can see. So with the picture, the help of picture, we can just count out how many apples are there. So just going to count how many apples are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many apples are there here? Yes, it is 6 apples. 6 apple. So this you have to write at number 10. Next you can see here one fruit is lying. The fruit is orange. So orange is there, but we have to count that. So you can count it, just one orange is there. So for this you have to write one orange. What is left at the last? Can you say, tell me? Yes, it's banana. It's banana. So here also it is again countable now. So just see how many bananas are there. We can count out 1 2 3 4 5. So how many bananas we can see in the picture? Yes, it is 5 bananas. Okay, and this way I hope we have seen each and every picture and written about that as uncountable or uncountable now. So what are the things we can just count and see answers, that is with the exact numbers. So 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and it's 13. So yes, we counted things at 13, and same we have written from 1 to 13 in our answer. So just going to read answer for you. You have to just read out and learn. Okay. So answer one, number 1 cartoon of milk, a little milk. Number 2 bottles of milk, water, a lot of water. Number 3, 1.5 coconut. So 1.5 coconut. Number 4 potatoes. How many? 4 potatoes. Number 5, a big can of milk. Number 6, a pack of sugar. A lot of sugar. Number 7, 3 carrots. How many carrots? Yes, it is 3 carrots. 2 tomatoes. How many tomatoes? Yes, that is mentioned number 2 tomatoes. Number 9, a tub of ice cream. So we don't get exact number, so it is uncountable, and we have written a tub of ice cream. Number 10, 6 apples. So it is countable. Number 11, 1 orange. So how many oranges? Yes, it is 1 orange. Number 12, 5 bananas. So here also we have counted bananas, so it was number 5. In this way we have completed with the exercise number C with the shopping list which Rohan had brought from the market. His mother has asked him to buy some food items. Okay, so you'll have to write them properly in your textbook, as well as you can write them in your notebook. Only answers for exercise C you can write it in your notebooks also. So hope you have understood this exercise properly. Do the exercise properly in your textbook as well as notebook. Thank you, students.